We had an epic day yesterday. Let's start with gold. So right where the arrow is where we had our call out. Right before this happened, our first move of the day was a short. This is what it looked like. According to the call out, we were going to go short if we crossed here. So first trade of the day on gold was 1.49%, 398 ticks. We said that if we rejected this white line that we were going to take a buy. So this is what that would have looked like. This would have been about 0.55%, 144 ticks. And then we dropped down, so we would have had another sell, another 0.5%, 125 ticks. And then we said that if we rejected here, we would take a buy. So we literally made our move down, and then we just bounced around. So we got 1.5, we've got 2, we got about 3% on gold alone, just based on the callouts where we had our lines drawn out. And again, this was done right here ahead of time before the market opened. This is where we started with the callouts yesterday on NASDAQ. So we were right here, right at 8 o'clock. So this big red candle right here. As you can see, the yellow line, we called it out perfectly, 20.071, we were going to go long. So what that looked like from a monetary standpoint was we had about 1.29%, and we had 1,038 ticks. It's $100 per 20 ticks per contract. So you guys can do the quick math on that. It's $100 per 20 ticks on one contract. It's trading 2, 3. You guys can work the math out in your brain. And then we, we came back down, and we had this one here. You guys could have caught it on the way down, but let's be a little bit conservative. So this was 0.7%, 380 ticks. Boom. Epic trades on NASDAQ. Again, called out before all of this happened. It was called out for you guys. And then on oil, no surprise on oil. We were right here when we did our call out. We said that if it dropped below here, we were going to take a sell. Here's what it would look like from a monetary standpoint on that sell. You guys had 3.5%. And you guys had 269. We said that if we rejected this white line, we were going to take a buy. So what the buy would have looked like for you guys, this would have been 2.79%, 3.5, you're over 6% right here, almost 7%. And then the last one would have been over here. Came down like that for 1.95%. We came back up, we rejected the same area again. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections of the exact same area that was called out. So we had 3.5, 4, 5, 6%, 7, 8%, almost 9% on oil alone. So 9%, 10, 11%, 12. I'll go with right below 15% on the day. Just called out again before it happened. So as you can see, it was a pretty popular day. For those of you guys that caught the call live, you had the gameplay before it happened. Cool. Moving into today.